Supreme Court having banned the regressive practice of instant triple talaq or the talaq-e-biddat, the practice still continues. So to put an end to it, the government is preparing to bring in a new legislation where instant triple talaq will be made a cognizable and non-bailable offence, which would attract a penalty of 3 years of imprisonment. The draft for this legislation has been prepared by an inter-ministerial group headed by Home Minister Rajnath Singh, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad and External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. The proposed law intends to ban instant talaq in all forms, including when said verbally, in writing, through text or WhatsApp messages or through any other form. The draft law further provides that a victim of instant talaq can claim custody of her children along with maintenance from her husband by approaching a magistrate and registering a complaint with the police. Despite the Supreme Court having banned the practice, a total of 67 cases of triple talaq were registered with the police from all over India since the month of August. The government has opined that such a law is needed as the provisions of the Regular Domestic Violence Act will not suffice in such extreme cases.
I think the Muslim women and women as a whole will definitely welcome this, because if it becomes a law, then this will definitely give Muslim women a protection from those Muslim men who had pronounced talaq at once. And triple talaq will definitely become an issue of the past if this law becomes a force and come to existence, because the Constitution does provide them equality and something which they were denied by Muslim men. And if this law becomes a reality, then certainly this will act as a deterrent, and Muslim women definitely will enjoy the privilege what they were not enjoying in the past.
कानून तो इस पर बनना ही चाहिए, लेकिन जब ये कानून आएगा तो पार्लियामेंट के अंदर इस पर बातचीत होगी और सारी पार्टियां ही मिलकर के इस पर फैसला करती हैं। सरकार अपनी तरफ से जो भी चाहे कानून पेश कर सकती है, लेकिन उसको देखना पड़ेगा कि उसका लीगल एंगल किस हद तक सही है।
It's very welcome. There is some solace for Indian Muslim women. Triple talaq in one sitting is absolutely un-Islamic. It has no mention in the Quran, and unfortunately the Muslim Personal Law Board, the ulemas, they did not understand the situation of Indian Muslim women when they are at the receiving end because of triple talaq in one sitting. So it's indeed a welcome move.
तमाम चीज़ें ठीक हैं, लेकिन आप ये देखिए, क्या जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, जो आपने मसौदा तैयार किया, जो आपने कमेटी बनाई थी, उसने जो मसौदा तैयार किया, कोई ऐसी चीज़ ऐसी तो नहीं है जो शरीयत में मुदाखलत हो, कोई ऐसी चीज़ तो नहीं है जो मुसलमानों के हित के ख़िलाफ़ हो। आपको चाहिए कि सरकार को चाहिए कि मसला बोर्ड है या जमीयत उलमा हिंद है या दारुल देवबंद है, जो बड़े लोग हैं, बड़े विद्वान लोग जहाँ पर, उनको भी इन्वाइटी बनाकर उसमें रखें कि भाई हम ये बिल ला रहे हैं और इसमें आप बताइए क्या चीजें करना है।
All right, for more on this, I'm joined by WION correspondent Mohammed Saleh. Thank you so much, Saleh, for joining us on the broadcast. In all likelihood, this bill would be introduced in the winter session. Please give us more details. What all does it entail?
That's exactly correct, Archana. This again is a progressive move by the present government where they intend to bring this as a law. Remember, in the month of August, Supreme Court in its landmark ruling, it said that the instant triple talaq, we need to make a distinction between triple talaq and what is known as instant triple talaq, something that is given in one sitting or just through an SMS or a WhatsApp message. Now, this is what has been declared as illegal. And now what the government, of course, wants to do is, despite the Supreme Court having said that this practice should not continue, there are some individuals, very few of them, about 67 cases from a very large population across spread over India have been reported. So the government wants to make this a cognizable, non-bailable offence, which will attract an imprisonment of up to 3 years. So this, of course, is a welcome move. And it now remains to be seen as to how this law will appear in its final form. Now, although one bit of a question which a lot of people will, of course, wonder is that how is this going to be a little different from some of the other laws which govern women from some of the other communities. For instance, there is this Prevention of Domestic Violence Act in India, which provides a lot of safeguards for women. So is there a new necessity for new legislation? That, of course, is the big question here.
All right, thank you so much, Mohammed Saleh, for that comprehensive update. I'm also joined by Majid Memon. He's a senior lawyer and member of the National NCP. So thank you so much for speaking to World is One News. Your response to this 3-year jail term for triple talaq, for those people who give instant triple talaq?
Present government seems to be capitalizing on this reform, which according to them is in a great relief for women. To a great extent, we agree that, well, if a woman, Muslim woman, is thrown out of matrimony without any cause in a rage of, anger in instant triple talaq, it is almost a case of injustice. No doubt on that at all. But then, now when the Gujarat elections are on, why are they rushing up to propagate this, that we are going to now impose 3 years per jail? Of course, the law takes its own course. And if the law is to be enacted, certainly the legislative powers are with the Parliament of India. And Parliament is going to meet in the next 10-12 days. It would be on the 15th that the Parliament session is convening. So therefore, let the matter be discussed in the House. Let the members come forward with whatever plus and minus points are. Maybe that it would be approved by everybody. That's a different question. We are not going, even if we are going into the merits of the proposal of the government, which can be lauded, yet, you see, this kind of trying to take political advantage by beating the drums now at the time when Gujarat elections are going to take place seems, improper on the part of NDA.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Majid Memon, for speaking to World is One News. So that was NCP leader and senior lawyer saying that it's an advantage that the NDA is trying to take at the moment.